Hi guys, I am Salamile Shangase. Follow me on my Instagram at I am Salamile Shangase. Okay, so today's a very big day for me. I'm almost like binga-ish, not too much. So I asked Usisami here to accompany me to Ingoma Mazalaka, which I'm so excited by the way. This is my outfit for the day. Okay. I could have worn Imbatatazami, but usually I was very busy, so I just needed into a because she also made me carry a jacket. It hasn't even started. It is so nice. But I'm gonna update you guys. I'm taking over the vlog today. I'm taking over Umashugu, the channel. This is my vlog.
Okay guys, as much as like she's taking over the vlog, but I also need to show you my outfits. A big sister pull-ups, and she's wearing a hoodie. She's wearing a hoodie, and then it's a sock patali towel just to be like a pinna-ish, and then a legging and my tickets. One thing about me, get child, I will not dress up. I will poker you. I will not dress up. It's a video.
Location. I'm pretending to be on a call because busy. Oh, nakuyanglandela. Bayangisiza bengamboni ubey, bengamboni umkhulu ubey. Basho bathi nanga umkhulu ubey. Angisabaleka kanje ngenze ngathi ngithatha icall. Awusem mkhulu. Waze wakhula ngokweminyaka ukuthi ungalokulandela ingane. This is my vlog today anyways. I'm just rushing. And it's 2. We've been here since 11. The event hasn't started, but Nandi ubuka amabhinqa egqoka amabheshi. Khona omunye ubaba nje osemapuna lapha. Kodwa ke asikho lapho guys. Engithi olale ubulisa indlebe lalela.